fathers that are not out there stepping up, y'all need to step up. Father's Day to all the dads out there, and I have to big up my dad.
So I am back well, actually in the kitchen, and of course, look for what happened. Some mimosa. We just get this stuff. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hey guys, good morning and happy Father's Day to all the amazing fathers out there. Oh gosh, don't mind me. I am not feeling so 100. Oh, I feel sick like a dog. Oh, I just feel like I'm gonna throw up. But anyways, little man is there, fast asleep. Mr. Williams is gonna go play football today, and so yeah, he's gonna go and play soccer. This morning, I was supposed to get up and I was supposed to get up and do this nice Father's Day breakfast. Well, probably it'll be breakfast brunch for him. But I am just feeling awful right now. I'm hoping to feel a little bit better. I started prepping this off, so if anything, Fate's going to have to finish. They're going to have to finish it for me. Yeah, so I wanted to come by and say happy Father's Day to all the amazing Father's Day out there that, you know, are in their kids' life and involved in their kids' life. Yes, because out there you just don't need the mothers alone. It takes two to tango and two to make a child. So it's nice to see when the fathers them are involved, because it's always usually the mother that are taking care of the household, doing everything and holding it down for the kids. So, and for those fathers that are not out there stepping up, y'all need to step up. Definitely need to step up in being your kid's life, right? And don't let, because of the mother or whatever, you don't be involved in your kid's life, because at the end of the day, you guys are going to grow to regret it. And those moms out there, let the father, if the father wants to be involved in the child's life, let them be. And father, kids are not a toy, something that you come in their life and go out, in and out, in and out, because that messes with kids so much. And if you were a child and that happened to you, then you should know better. And I always say it takes one to know one, and it takes one to teach one to do better. And I always have to commend the dads them out there that never had a good upbringing, but yet they brought children in this world, and yet they made sure to stay in their kids' life, even if it's not financially, because the thing that we forget as parents is it's never the financial part that kids look to. Kids look to the part that they spend with you, whether you go play football with them, you just play video games with them, they just go out for a walk, just being in your presence. That is way more important to kids than financial gain. Yes, financial gain is good as well, because obviously kids need a roof over their head, they need clothes, some of them want the latest gadget, but nothing compares to quality time. The time you spent with your kids is what they remember the most, like simply bringing them to the park, going out for ice cream with them if that's all you're able to afford, even if just walking, going to the park, going by the beach, the river, the spring, wherever you live, based on where you live. These are the things that kids remember the most, is spending quality time with their father or parent, must say. Always say the male is the head of the household, but I always feel that without a good female, do you hear me? A good female partner being with that male, that household will crumble, because usually when the woman is not there or she's passed away or something happened, the whole household comes crumbling down, because we are the foundation that hold that house together. As much as the man is always the head of the household, but the mother holds that foundation together in that sense. So I would love to come and say happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And I have to big up my dad, because at a point he played the father and mother role in my life. And I am grateful for the things them that he has taught me. He also is the reason why I am the woman I am today. So I also have to give him his props. You know, he didn't have much, but with what little he had, we as kids appreciate it. And as much as when it came to certain things, you know, he tried his best. And that I have to say I am most grateful for. And I'm also grateful for my husband for playing the role and being a father to the kids, because it is so vital to have that foundation in your house. You know, somebody like a father figure, especially for the males, them to look up to, like a good father figure, you know, to know what to look for and know how to try and groom themselves, especially young men growing up and stuff like that as well. So I would like to definitely say big up to the father them out there, because you know it's so vital for young girls to see how they're supposed to be treated when there is a man in the house, and for young men in the house as well to see how they're supposed to treat a woman when you have a good male partner around. Because yeah, you have some women that do have man in the house, but they are not the figure that you would want your kids them to look up to. And if you are seeing all these red flags, ladies, you need to reevaluate yourself and reevaluate the man that you are with as well. So, and yeah, I just wanted to come and say that, but let's get back to the rest of the video. Hey guys, so I am back actually in the kitchen. And of course, look who I have with me. He won't let me put him down. I am making saltfish fritters right now. I'm making 2 batch because mine I'm making different, because I like onions and bell peppers and different stuff, you know, in mine, scallion and all that stuff. As for the rest of the family, they are very simple. So it's just, you know, my special season, the way I season it, and that's it, with the saltfish in it for them. So I'm doing that, and then we're gonna make some French toast. I'm just waiting on Mario, because Mario, like I said earlier, he went to play football, so he's on his way back. He's just actually grabbing a few stuff at the store. So yeah, so then I'm gonna do that, and as you see, I have them put on the stove for rice, and these are almost finished, cooked already, and meat already ready to go. And the only thing is that, and then I'm gonna do some eggs. So when we finish, I'm gonna show you, I'll show you guys what we have for breakfast. And that's pretty much, we got his different stuff wrapped and everything set up for him for when he comes. So, because we had to literally hide and do everything while he was gone. So, but yeah, at least I was able to get the stuff done before he gets back. So I'm just gonna finish dealing with this, and I will come back. When we're doing the French toast and stuff, and this is the operation. I'll show you guys. Mr. Romario here is very miserable. Don't know what is going on with him. Like, well, he's teething, so, and his teeth are coming out, so he's very cranky because of that. So he's just having a very hard time presently right now. But let me get these bad boy flipped. I need a new pot, because this one looks like it's gone to the dogs. This one looks like it's going to the dough. Doesn't work as good as anymore, but I'm trying to use the other pot for the stuff. and still these people bring me. I gotta turn it down because I find that it's like burning the stuff. You guys hear him in the back? That's him with the fish right now. He's just really having a hard time today. I don't know. You know what? Let me just let those fly. So yeah, I'll come back when I'm almost finished. I'm gonna start doing some of theirs now. So Mario come home to something because I'm sure he's gonna go shower and he's gonna be well hungry, and then pretty much he's got to go to bed because night shift. Yeah, I hate these night shift. I hate when he's on night shift because we hardly get to spend time together. You're lucky if you even see him awake during the day because he usually sleeps the whole 10 hours, and you get up for like what, maybe an hour just before work, and then that's pretty much it. So yeah, see the damn bloody top, they're burning up my stuff then, but at least my other batch turned out good, so I am complaining. Guys, here is some of their food there.
Remember, it's not yours. What's wrong with you? It's not yours.
So there's the stuff we're about to do some mimosa. We're just getting the stuff, and that is what we're about to have. I'm not gonna finish the rest of the breakfast as I am not feeling too well. I'm just gonna go lay down, so this vlog is gonna get cut really short. Sorry, I'm cutting the vlog short. Yeah, I'm just not feeling well at all. I'm gonna go lay down and take it easy.
Stop it.
Mario's just having a good day today. Bye-bye. So, yeah, if I don't come back for the rest of the day, you guys know I'm not feeling well at all. Alright, I'll see you guys later.